Happy Veganuary, day 20. Today we're making one of my favorite dinners ever, bangers and mash. For anyone who doesn't know, that's code for sausages and mashed potatoes. If you're in a rush, you can use pre-made sausages like these Yves veggie sausage, but today I thought it'd be fun to try making my own. First, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat and cook one diced apple, half a medium diced white onion, and 30 milliliters of maple syrup for 5 minutes until the apple has softened and the onion is translucent. In a food processor, add the cooked apple and onion, 15 milliliters of liquid smoke, 15 milliliters of garlic powder, 10 milliliters of ground sage, 10 milliliters of smoked paprika, 10 milliliters of onion powder, and 5 milliliters of salt, and 180 milliliters of veggie broth.
Blitz until completely smooth.
In a whisking bowl, whisk together 300...
In a whisking bowl?
In a mixing bowl. Whisk together 60 milliliters of nutritional yeast, 310 milliliters of vital wheat gluten, and 125 milliliters of chickpea flour. Stir in the wet mixture with the dry mixture. Knead the dough with your hands for 5 minutes. The dough should be slightly elastic but soft. Let the dough rest for 5 minutes. Roll the dough out into 5 sausages. Now we're going to wrap it in parchment paper. And then after that, we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil. There we go. Twist the edges. Make it tight. Place the sausages on a baking tray and bake for 30 minutes. Once done, let the sausages cool in the foil wrappers for 10 minutes before opening. Cook 1 liter of potatoes. After 15 minutes, mash with oat milk and vegan butter. Heat oil in a pan. Cook 1 large onion, thinly sliced. And then we're going to stir for 2 minutes until it's soft. Then reduce heat. Add 1 kilogram of chopped ripe tomatoes and stir for 5 minutes until soft. Whisk 45 milliliters of flour into 680 milliliters of vegetable stock. Add this to the tomato and cook, stirring for 5 minutes until soft. Now we're going to add our sausages to the gravy. Alright, we're done. Let's try it. Look at that. That looks really good. Oh my god, that's so good. The sausage is amazing. The gravy, that's so good. I'm really proud of myself. I love that.